Hello dear fans. What is air made of? Air is composed of oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, and other gases. In cities, the air is polluted and filled with exhaust gases, dust, smoke. Since the molecules of oxygen and nitrogen are lighter than molecules of harmful gases, the air below is always more polluted. Instructions. Step 1. Air is a mixture of gases. The air contains 78% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 0.9% argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor, hydrogen, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, xenon, helium and other gases. Step 2. Oxygen is the most important element for the life of all living organisms on the planet. It is oxygen that is absorbed by the human lungs. A person exhales carbon dioxide, which, together with water vapor, increases the air temperature. Step 3. Ozone is a barrier to aggressive UV radiation. Decreasing ozone levels can adversely affect the life of organisms on Earth. In addition, ozone dilutes oxygen, which in its pure form is not suitable for the life of living beings. Step 4. The amount of other gases in the atmosphere is small. However, if the maximum permissible concentration of these substances is exceeded, living organisms, and people in particular, can be significantly affected. So, allergic reactions of the human body are often associated with a reaction to new substances, which, due to technological progress, appear in the atmosphere. Step 5. The air in big cities, in addition to the main elements, is filled with volatile organic pollutants, toxic gases, tobacco smoke, smog, vehicle exhaust gases, dust and aerosols, bacterial pollutants, carbon adsorption filters, viruses, bacteria, fungi, mold. Step 6. Molecules of heavier gases accumulate at the bottom, and lighter ones rise upward. Since sulfur and exhaust gases are heavier than oxygen and nitrogen, the higher a person is, the better he breathes, for example, the freshest air in the mountains. The amount of water vapor determines the humidity in the air. Even in the desert, the air contains water vapor, but in smaller quantities. In contrast, tropical forests contain a lot of water vapor. A person's well-being in certain conditions depends on the amount of water vapor. So, with minimal humidity it becomes difficult to breathe, and with high humidity it is very difficult to tolerate high and low temperatures. Step 7. The air on Earth has the same chemical composition up to the upper atmosphere, the troposphere. There is a layer of hot air above 18 miles. Even higher is a layer called the ionosphere, which consists of particles electrified by the sun. These particles form a layer of plasma air that protects the Earth from the external magnetic field. Thanks for watching.